We picked up these dog agility jumps from Facebook Marketplace, and they're in need of like a really good like doer-upper, but they were worth it for the cost. They were only £50 for all of it. So I just started cleaning the poles, and then we're going to, this is just the first pole, and then we're going to sand these down and paint them to match everything in the garden, like the green colour. I'm just cleaning the poles at the minute because they've definitely seen better days, but they've got like purple paint on, and I've been using the pink stuff here, and it's getting it off, so I'm going to sit down and clean those up. Look at the difference. So we took all the plastic bits off so that they're ready to paint tomorrow, and this is the paint we're going to use, which we painted one of the duck sheds with, and I've cleaned up all the poles. They're all nice and shiny white, ready for tomorrow. These are the things that we need to screw back on to hold the poles. They need a good clean as well, and then I'll show you, well, we put in fresh screws in, and then we'll paint it tomorrow morning, then I'll show you what it looks like. So we got little helper Boo Boo down here, and Tilly, and Maddie's gone and lay in the middle. But they've had quite a few coats and they're really hard to cover. They've had about 3 coats each, but I think you can see that they're green now. I don't think they look too bad. Maddie's making me laugh. They're yours, Mads. See, they're quite patchy. I'm hoping they'll dry a bit nicer. But yeah, they're better than they were before. Wait for them to dry, and then if they need another coat, I'll do another one. If not, put the bars on. Oh, my mum's pressure washing in the background, if you can hear that. You gonna do some jumping, Maddie? Maddie maybe not do some jumping because she's got sore legs at the moment. She needs the vets. Maybe Bear Bear could do some jumping because your legs are fine. Hey Bear Bear, do you think you could do some jumping? Yeah. Hey. Maddie's been told. They look good, Mom. She wasn't like that. I'm gonna get you, Maddie. Jump in, baby! I literally just said in the last clip that we need to phone the vets for her. This is what she does. Are you feeling better? She's been asking him to do this for about an hour. So I'm just going to screw these back on here to hold the poles. Got my little helpers. Sarah and Tilly. Are you helping me? That's a screw, sweet girl. Are you my little helpers? Right, where did all the other screws go? Okay. Where did the plastic thing go, Boo? There it is. Right, now we have to do everything with 2 puppies. Because that's how you do everything in life. They've 2 spaniels. Right, you're gonna help me. Go on then. Right, you sit nicely. Good girl. I'll show you Mum's pressure washing progress. Sorry if the camera's wobbly, I've got it on the tripod. Wait there, guys. So she's done all around here. And here. Look at the difference. No! Don't you dare. Look at that. Very satisfying. It's very satisfying.
It is, it's like time consuming, like you do a bit and you think, oh, I'm doing that well, and then you like look up and you think, oh god, no I'm not.
Only that much to do. Oh. Have fun.
Oh my god.
And now I'm just going to assemble them. Please ignore the coal ducts in the background. But how cool do they look? So it's all ready. Now we gotta see if they'll actually use it. We're gonna get some treats and we'll put them to the test. They've never done agility before. So let's see how they do. Right, are we ready? Ready? Come on! Good job, girls! That went round. Ready, Bear? Ready? Come on! Good boy! Oh, we lost the pole! Okay, good girl! Good job! Good boy! Come on! Good job, guys! Ready? Yeah, come on! Come on! Come on! Well done! Ready? Come on, let's go! Good girl, let's go! And again! One more! Well done! Good girl! Right, Bear's gonna do it again. Yeah. Come on. Go. Well done! Good boy! Ready? Up! Good boy! So here's the after of the driveway. One car's back up. Look how much better it looks. All pressure washed.
A lot better.
Yeah, this is a big driveway. Yeah, Dad's doing the clean up because Mum's got a market research. So she has to rush off. Look at that! Much cleaner. Productive day. Wait. we're off.
Oh my god, what on earth is this going on?
Someone tried to crash into us. So I forgot what I was saying. Oh, we've just been to the vets and picked up some medication for Maddie because, as I said yesterday, before she started running around the garden, she isn't very well. So we've got lots of medication for Mads, and then she's in the vets in 3 weeks, 4 weeks. 27th. It's like the first today. And then, so we got the meds, and then we're gonna now head to get some ingredients for Hannah because she's got baking to do. And then, and what else are we doing? Is that it?
Food shopping.
Yeah, food shop.
Baking shopping.
And then we'll be home. It's actually gone semi-nice outside.
Might get in the garden, won't we?
Yep, probably get in the garden. Maddie, we got your medicine! Bear's like mine. No, it's Maddie's. Successful trip. I don't know. I think you do, don't you?
Hot ones.
You trying to eat my chocolate muffins? Have a muffin in the garden. Boo Boo's trying to eat it. It's a bit mean of me putting them so close to you. He's staring at the cupcakes. Not yours. Bear, they're mine. He knows you won't get any. Where's the Maddie? Where's the Maddie? Hi, Maddie! Just cooking some rice and just marinated some chicken in sweet chilli, so that's going to go on the barbecue. And then we'll make a fried rice with this and have a salad as well. Rice and chicken on the barbecue. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Bear wants some.
At lunch. Tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, I think it's a big day tomorrow.
Hey everyone, happy Friday. Today my friend Demi is coming round for a little bit here. She's going to come see the animals and maybe have some dinner. And then we are heading to our friend, well my cousin Emma's house, see Emma and Becky for a takeaway. So that's going to be fun. I don't know if Demi will be on the vlog, I'll ask her anyway. But I'm sure Emma and Becky will be later because they have their own like vlogging channel too. And Mum's gone out with her friend Lindsay on a dog walk with Bear and Flossie. I've got Maddie and Tilly. The window cleaner's just been, so they're all a bit stressed because we don't like the window cleaner. Just had a shower, got ready. Hannah's baking cakes for 2 customers. Again, I'll leave her link down below if you're interested in cakes. She does brownies and blondies and cookies. And yeah, so that's today. It's Friday. It's a little bit miserable today. I was hoping we could get outside, but it's not sunny today. And yeah, so I'll vlog when she gets here. So a little update on Madeline. She got her meds yesterday and she's feeling a lot better. On your pain relief, she's on 2 different kinds of pain relief. One of them is 3 times a day and one of them is just once a day. Hey Dilly, come and see Mads. And then she's in on the 27th for MRIs and reviews of her legs. Maddie. You can look back on some old vlogs about Mads. She has hip dysplasia and has had 2 total hip replacements and 2 pinned knees. One of them that's causing her trouble, this right one, which she just lifted up, she's had the pins in and out and then back in again. I think they're what are causing her a problem, so she might need them back out again. You've gone out of focus, Maddie. But the MRI will show us what's going on with her, see if she needs another operation. Hopefully she doesn't, but I think that might be her best option at the moment. You and Tilly, that's lovely. I'm sure everyone will look after you, won't they, Maddie? She's not sitting quite right with that leg. It's her right knee that's causing a problem. Maddie, is that hurting you? This is the one that is causing her a little bit of problems, isn't it, Mads? She does 3-legged up the stairs. You okay? I've been making these bracelets, if you can see them. And it focuses. Focus. There we go, little chevron bracelets, and I'm just making this one now. Probably give it to my friend because I've made so many and everyone's already got one. I'm gonna get started on finishing this.
That's so good.
This is Hannah's cake she's been making.
The other one's not.
It's art themed. Look how cool it is.
Oh, that's
Look
good.
at that. Yay! Me and Demi, there's Demi, are on the way to Emma and Becky's for a takeaway, I think. And we're just trying to find the road. We got a little bit lost. Yeah, go left here. And yeah, and I think Maisie's there, my puppy, so that'll be exciting. And yeah, I'll let you know when we get there.
We haven't been happy with handling it all, so we pulled out. So I had to get two small ones, which was a fish and a fish.
Maisie!
I haven't tried the fish yet.
Maisie,
But
no!
I'm gonna go on this week and
Come on in. Hiya! Hello! Hiya, baby! Hiya! Hiya, baby! Hello! Right, we've gone for Chinese. There's Becky. There's Emma. We've gone for Chinese.
Maisie.
There's Maisie. What are you having, Maise?
Some chicken.
I'll show you all when it's all plated up because it's just all in boxes at the moment. Free jam.
Get down!
Hello, my girl.
But they actually brought out a different flavour.
Are you tired?
With orange.
Are you tired? Good morning. We are heading out this morning to drop Hannah's cakes off at their customers' houses. And yeah, thought I'd take you with us. I'm taking two babies with us in the boot. Tilly and Flossie are the chosen two, aren't they? As they go in super easy in these dog bags.
With added teddies.
Yeah, with lots of toys to keep them entertained. Hello, my boys. Hello, baby. Is that your toy off Aurora? So his friend Aurora in Slovenia sent him a birthday present. And Tilly as well, she got a little fox. He loves this one, don't you, baby? Yeah. You're so clever. Hello, my boy. Oh, so sweet. Come on. Hi, Matilda. Hello, my girl. Found some dinner. Teapot with tea. Got our cow juice bottle. There's your crisps. Good morning, handsome. Good morning. Should we throw your bowl for you? Put my coffee down. Ready? Come on. Ready? Clever boy. That's so cute. Is that yours? He loves this ball. Clever boy. Hi, Arnold. What have you done to your fur? Look at his back legs. He's all puffed up. Hi, boys. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Huckleberry. Good morning. Here's Maddie. Come to say hi to Edmund. Good morning, Mads. Hi, my babies. Hello, Arnie. Huckleberry. Dad was given the task of sweeping up the poo last night and he didn't do it, so I was like, it looks a mess. Wasn't he? Is that funny? Hey, Thomas. Hey, Arnold. No, you eating my clothes? You coming up? Oh, Thomas is coming up instead. Hello, sir. Hi. Look at him. Are you an acrobat, Thomas? Arnold's gone to sleep. Thomas. Hi, you. Hello. thinking about it. He's cleaning his feet. What are you thinking, Tumnus? Cool. Bear Bear's come to see you. Hello, Huckleberry. Tumnus is getting down, I think. Give him a kiss. Good boy. Good morning. Today is Sunday. I've just come in the spare room and realised Kevin and Katie are sat in here. I'm just going to head and get a shower because I'm covered in paint. Yesterday we painted all the front gate. I didn't include it in the vlogs, but you already saw me painting something this week. But it's all green and I'll show you later if you want. It took us quite a long time to finish. And then today my brother and sister-in-law are coming with Nelly and it's boiling hot today. This heat wave I think might actually be returning. So I'm going to get a shower, put some summer clothes on and yeah, and then I'll be back. I'm ready, now let's go enjoy some sunshine. This is what my phone looks like from painting yesterday. Not a very clean painter. Just making a cup of tea for my dad and my brother. My brother has a medical study, so he's having decaf. Using our cow juice bottle. This is from Jeremy Clarkson's farm. My brother got it for me from when he went to the shop, so it's really cool to put your milk in. Good morning! Hey! Hey Sid and Sebby. Little chummy. Just come out to film the sky because it's all pink and our sheep are back in the field opposite. Not that you can see them, but I'm going to go closer so you can see them. Here they are. And look at the sky. I also said I would film the fence, but it's a bit dark now, but I hope you can see that it's all green now and it was like orangey brown. The lights are now on because it's night time, and Mum painted this fence as well along here because we didn't do that yesterday. She did that today, and now you can still actually kind of see it. It looks so much nicer green and it all blends in, and look at it with that beautiful sky. So I'm going to go and get a shower. We just cleaned the goats out. We didn't intend to, but we went in and said, oh, we'll just do it quickly. And today we took the aviary down at the duck pen because we don't have any ducklings anymore. So it's 8:30 now and we're going to go in and get showers. And, oh, blurry. Yeah, so we're going to go in and get showers now. And then probably get in our pyjamas because it's quite late. But the boys are happy because they've got a clean area. Just put the padlock on. They've got all the tidy area now. They've had all the poo swept up. They've got all fresh straw and hay that Mama's now eating. Hi! You're lovely. Much better. Good morning. We have boiling hot sunshine. I think I mentioned that yesterday. And we're going to go and clean the ducks out, which is the worst job to do in the sunshine, but it needs to be done. And a little bit of exciting things. We haven't had any eggs for ages. Ours have just decided to stop laying. I don't know if it's... They were molting and they're still getting through that. But yes, we haven't had any eggs. And then this morning, Mum went in and there is one egg, but it's tiny, so we think it's a first egg. So it's either, it's green as well, that narrows it down to Walnut or Wiggles, which is the ducklings that we hatched the first time. So they've laid an egg, so that's very exciting, and hopefully we'll get more, because our egg station is looking very empty at the moment. We've got 2 chicken eggs and then 1 duck egg, and then this one I need to clean. Well, yeah, we're gonna do the ducks, and sorry, I'm dark. Just shows how dark our hallway is. Yeah, we're gonna do the ducks. I'm gonna put this on a tripod. Can't remember whether I said we've got Nelly to stay. And then the 3, Maddie, Flossie and Bear on the pallet seating. And Bear's been poorly, so he's feeling a little better today. Maddie's going to check on the ducks. You feeling better, boo boo? Much better? Yeah. I love when Bear bites you. You enjoying the sunshine, little fella? And Huckleberry's over there. Tumnus is by the barrel, and then Edmund's right over there eating some hay. Look at that content little face. Hello. Bear's got duck duck. Okay, I'll get a bag. There is a dog poo. This is our poo bag station. We have these, I think they're Beaker, are they? Or Earth rated. And they come out like a tissue box. Brilliant. Tilly's on the hammock. Hey girl! Is that fun? Can't remember whether I showed this yesterday, but we took down the aviary. So now we just have a pen, but no bit over the top, because we didn't need the bit over the top anymore, and it was making it actually more wet than it needed to be. And we've still got a pen, because if next year we've got too many males, we can put them in here and they've still got enough space, but they'll stop annoying our females. And then we made this pen here, so the ducks can't come up to the fence because they were annoying the puppies. So we have like an entrance way, and it's been blocked off to the pond as well, so they can get out any other way but here. Oh, they're flapping. Hello, goslings. Live footage of Mum really hating cleaning out the ducks. If we were millionaires, we'd pay someone to do this. Yep. But we're not, so at least we got a nice view. Look at that, Mum, behind you.
You lot poo too much.
Look at them cherries.
Very much. Please stop pooing.
Oh, look at them though. It's worth it for your poo.
It's like going to like a park or something, isn't it? Like
You happy now you got clean houses? Mum is. So we fill 3, are these ton bags, Mum?
Yeah.
Fill 3 ton bags with the waste, because if you try and fill it all in one bag, well, one, it wouldn't fit, 2, they're really heavy to carry, so we do 3 ton bags and then we have to take them all over to the muck heap and tip them out, which is a workout in itself. Final area finished, all clean. So at the moment they lose a lot of feathers, so this is normally already all full of feathers. We'll just sweep all this up. And we do have a water butt here with water in it, which is really handy for filling up the waters and things. And then this is that temporary fence I was showing you earlier. And then this is the ground. So the grass does grow back here, which you can see in like little clumps, but they just eat it as quick as it grows back. So we're not too bothered about this area being like this. It's only in the winter that we really struggle because it gets muddy. And so this is the pen. Again, it's all dry, it's got straw down, and then we pull the straw up and try and get leave it as just ground. So we've got 2 pools there for preening, 3 things for drinking. This is our feeding pen. It was the duckling coop, which I told you we took the top off. So now we put the treadle there, and we have a brick under it, so that, like a stone under it, so that they can't press it when it's not feed time. And then we take the brick out, and then here we have the buckets filled in here with food, and then we put them on here in the evening so that wild birds don't eat it in the day. Otherwise we just leave it out. And then this house houses 5 ducks. The 5 white cherries, well, 5 of them, we have 6, like to sleep in here. And then we have a little doorway now, because we used to have to climb. We used to have this as like a bar right across, so we used to have to climb under it, and the amount of times we scrubbed our back. So we now have an actual doorway, which we can close off with this temporary fencing if we need to. There's Madeline. You okay, Maddie? She's listening to me. And then we have this pen, which is our evening pen door. So once they're in here at night, they don't come back out, they go to bed. And here is the goose house, so that houses 7 geese. This is the duck house. This houses all our ducks, except the 5 white ones that go in the other house. And then this is the gosling house, which you can see through. You see through the window. It's all clean anyway. And this houses 9 goslings. There's a little duck there, and it's all clean. So I'll show you around here. There's Willow. So all this around the tree, because when you've cleaned it out, which is the reason why this door is shut, they pull all the straw out. I don't know why, they don't like it clean. So it all goes up around this tree. Someone's just swept up all around the tree. This is like the gankiest bit of the pond. It's like quite swampy because it's not very deep here, but sometimes they'll walk in and out of here, which is why sometimes they get muddy feet. Like Dixie's going in now. Hello, Ryan. This bit is grass here, but they do eat it. There's all the goslings. But yeah, this is like the swampiest bit of pond ever. There's a duck sleep there. But then it's obviously water there. You can see where it changes. And all this they've eaten. So all this was weed. Fix the owl. Better? Fix Mr. Owl. So this is the pond from the other side. So camera doesn't do it justice. All these were like 4 or 5 foot high, and all this is open now. Can actually see you. Couldn't see you at one point. Really? So that was once the island in the middle, which isn't even really an island anymore, but there is some ducks asleep on it. They're all asleep today. It is here as well. Yeah. If it rains, yeah, it'll go over there. So that bit is all a little bit sloppy. This bit is all water, just because we had quite a lot of dry days. Really? All the goslings at the drinking hole. Look at this, they're all lined up. Why are you scared of Sebastian? He's not scary. Where's that little one? I can hear it, but I can't see it. And then here's the pond from this side. So this Saturday we're doing the jetty. So that's going to come from here and go out here. That's what those two poles are for, to say where the jetty's going to go. So like come out of here, and they've actually trampled most of the weeds down. So then we can sit here and watch the ducks, which will be pretty cool. We'll just trim the tree down a little bit, and then show you from this angle. Because I think this is where the original angle I filmed at when we first were thinking of getting the ducks was from here, and we could walk all the way through this. You definitely can't do that now unless you can swim. It's quite windy, so I'll talk loud, but this is what we've done so far, and then we're giving up. So Dad and Mum are on the last few cat's tails over there, and I've been clearing all this area. The camera's on low battery, so I'm not sure how much I'll get, but this is all supposed to be water what I'm walking on. And then this bit, you couldn't see any of this bit, and all around here, around this bush. So these bushes all stay because they like to hide in these. Over here, the reeds came up to about here, and you could only have that bit of water, whereas now they've got all this. So, and those grey, brown ones have been all snapped off, so I don't think it's going to be long before we can see right across the other side. What do you think of celery? Do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah. Hummus. What do you name it? Okay.
Do you like it?
Oh, so you eat that on yourself. Yeah.
They're eating it for me.
I like it.
Yeah, they do.
Put it in a bowl.
Yeah. He likes it. Come this. Come in. Does Huckleberry get any? Huckleberry, come on. Finding it hard to bite this. He's done it. Well done, little man. Good job. Turn this. Here we go. Good boy. Do you like it? Oh, you dropped it on the floor. Did you find the other piece? Turn this. Yeah. Hello. You lovely. His horn is on my forehead. Hi. Is that nice? Is that nice? Good boy. Come on, Arnold. Come on. You can do it. Good boy. Hello. That's so clever of you. Come on, Arnold. Bear. Good boy, Arnold. You're so clever. Bear's trying to eat the celery through. Edmund's up too. Good boy. Hi, Huckle. Did you even get any celery? Huckle is definitely bottom of the pack. See? Hey, be nice. He's your son. And what about you, sir? Nellie's chasing them. What are you two doing? Tumnus? Nellie's gone to see Grandpa. Oh, now she's back with the squeaky chicken. What do you think, Tumnus? About Nellie's antics? The baby's got some birthday presents. They're actually for Bear and Tilly from their friends in Spain, Cokie, Kira and their mum Maria. And Maddie is really looking into this one, and so is Flossie. The little ones aren't quite sure what to do with presents yet. Oh, Tilly's having a good go. And Bear's going to get mum to help him. Oh, Maddie, what is it? Tilly, what is it? Go on, Till. So Maddie's got in this one. Wow, Maddie, it's a unicorn!
Oh, that's so cute.
She has the best toys. Say thank you. Flossie, you going to carry on opening this one? So Matilda's having a good go at this one.
Living spoiled rotten.
Yeah, this is from their friends in Spain.
They just got toys off Aurora.
Wow! Yeah, they just got... I showed the toys off Aurora, I think, in the beginning of the vlog. It's a bunny.
Oh, is it a bunny?
Yeah. Oh, Tilly loves that. She's took it off to a safe place. Bear. Oh, Mum, look, Tilly took it off. Tilly, come here. Bear, what did you get? Oh, wow, Bear. Oh, that goes with your turtle that you got off Aurora. How lovely is that?
Maddie says thank you.
What's this one? Is that a cow? Oh, Maddie loves that one. Say thank you to Maria. Oh, Flossie's got that one. Say thank you, Floss. I don't know why you get a gift. Mom, look at Tilly.
You got yours?
She keeps running off to put it in her bed. Well done, Bear. Maddie is loving the paper. Look at your blonde curls. Bear, do you love that one? I thought that'd be more Bear's kind of toy. Oh, you can take that on walks now, and we can show Maria. Clever boy. Flossie and Mads have got the paper. Tilly, what did you do with your toy? She's took it into her bed. Tilly! That's where she puts her safe. That's where she saves her toys. Off she goes to the next one. Is that yours, Bear?
This should be a funny one, Maddie.
Oh, Maddie! She loves paper. No matter what you put in the paper, Maddie will still always love the paper more.
Maddie!
Good girl. Yay!
You got, hang on, she's got a plastic tag.
Oh, Tilly's got the paper now too. Matilda! Wow! Do you like the paper as well? It's spaniel paper.
It's a special one.
We also got this beautiful necklace. It's a spaniel. How cute is that? Can you see the weather? It's absolutely chucking it down. And we're supposed to be making a jetty tomorrow. So the geese and ducks are loving the rain. Mum just said they were stood in the pen. Look at them. Oh, look, the goslings are looking up at the rain. And these ones in the water. That's a good thing about rain. Ducks love it. Look how much it's bouncing down. There's a little moorhen there, isn't there? Oh, one's gone to bed.
Yeah.
Who's that, Lucy?
I don't know.
Lucy's just gone to bed. Oh, we just cleaned the duck houses out yesterday as well.
There's not so many now. Like a minute ago, there's like 10 of them all just looking up. Look, see them two in the bed.
Yeah, the goslings.
I don't know, they were all doing that a minute ago.
How funny.
And Adelaide, is it the first real rain?
Maybe. That one's just come back out. Is that a big goose that's just come out?
It's a
It's a gosling, isn't it?
Mm.
Look at them all stood there in the rain. It is probably their first experience of rain because they hatched in May.
Abigail and Lucy in the pond.
They've probably not really experienced heavy rain.
Abigail and Lucy in the pond.
Where? Oh yeah, there. That's Mummy and Daddy. And Sydney and Darwin. Thank you for watching this week's weekly vlog, and stay tuned for next week. We will be building the jetty tomorrow, so that'll be on next week's vlog. Hopefully it doesn't rain, and yeah, see you next week. Bye!